love today's best music. 98.3 The Kids, Big Jim. It's Stacey Lee. We got a very special in-studio guest this morning.
Welcome. We have, I'm going to call you Dr. Heather Ray. She's a veterinarian from Dr. Menks Mobile Pet Care. Good morning and welcome.
Morning.
We're just going to call you Dr. Ray, right? This is how I was thinking Rachel Ray. That's how I was remembering her name. Anyway, so, Dr. Menks is one of our sponsors. They sponsor our Wacky News segment. We've been mentioning for several weeks that February is Pet Dental Month. So I thought we'd have you come in and talk. And also, if anyone listening has any questions they'd love to ask a veterinarian, now's your chance. 545-9803. Talk to us about Pet Dental Month.
Yeah, so we celebrate Pet Dental Month once a year in February. And the goal of Pet Dental Month is really just to raise awareness of the fact that our pets, our dogs and cats especially, need dental care as well, just like we do. A lot of people don't know that.
Yeah, I talked to Dr. Menks about this. She goes, well, unless you're brushing your dog's teeth, they probably need to have their teeth cleaned.
Okay, what about those little bone things that you can get them?
They look like toothbrushes.
They help. They help to slow down the accumulation of the tartar and the plaque. They don't prevent it completely, and once it's there, they can't get rid of it. That's something only a professional dental cleaning can do.
So I went out and checked out your facility. You should see their little dog dental area. It looks like a person's dentist.
That's
Has all
awesome.
the little tools,
little chairs in there.
Not the little chair. Well,
no chair, but the equipment is exactly the same. The manufacturer of our dental equipment actually makes units for human dentists as well. It's the same
it
stuff.
was pretty impressive that they had that kind of equipment. Okay, and what a lot of people don't realize, it's a little bit expensive to get your dog's teeth cleaned, but it's important because if they have to have extractions, that's not good. It's going to shorten their life. Is that right?
Absolutely. I always tell people the mouth is the window to the rest of the body. So when we have infection going on in the mouth, which is what tartar leads to, tooth decay, infection, abscesses, all kinds of nasty things, that can get other places too. It can cause heart problems, liver problems, lots and lots of issues can stem from that. Plus, it's painful.
Right.
Okay, so what a lot of people don't realize, it's not like when you go to the dentist to get your teeth cleaned. They literally have to put the dog to sleep, so there's anesthesia involved and stuff.
We do. I've yet to have a patient that I can convince to just sit there and say "ah" for me, open up their mouth.
Yeah.
My dog will start growling.
Yeah, just getting a good look in their mouth, especially the back teeth, very often requires anesthesia, let alone doing a full cleaning. If there's any extractions that need to be done, we really need them nice and still, and there's really only one way to accomplish that.
Okay, so, and I know it's a Pet Dental Month at Dr. Menks, so you guys have a special this month. If anyone, if it's been, how often do you guys recommend getting their teeth cleaned?
It totally depends on the dog. Most dogs, I would say, could benefit from annual dental cleanings once a year. Some breeds, toy breeds especially, are much more prone to dental disease. Those guys could need it up to every 6 months.
Really?
Other breeds, especially your large dogs, sometimes can go longer in between needing a dental cleaning. So it really just depends.
So the thing to do is ask your vet.
Absolutely.
So
Come in for a good exam. We can lift that lip, take a look at what's hiding underneath, and let you know if there's work that needs to be done there.
Okay. And it's 10% off your dental services this month.
20%.
Yeah,
20. 20%.
Yeah, 20%.
Oh,
There you
I
go.
didn't realize that. All right, so Dr. Menks Mobile Pet Care. Give them a call, 438-4800. Look them up online, menksmobile.com. And they now have a facility, a state-of-the-art facility. Again, I went out and did a tour, and I was like, wow, this thing's pretty up there. Like the dental equipment looks like human. And
Brand new. We just opened up in July out there, so everything is still shiny and new and state-of-the-art.
Yeah, Benton City
awesome.
area. So, Dr. Ray is here with us for a little while. Feel free to call if you have a pet question. I had a question. Here's my weird question. Weird thing my dog does. So, usually around spring, when the worms start coming up out of the grass, if there's a worm in my yard, the bee she goes and rolls on it. And then the other one rolls on it. And then they smell like worms from the grass. It's so gross.
Dogs love those strong, nasty smells. I'm not sure if I can explain why that is, but I can tell you that they do.
It is crazy.
They just roll. How about you, Jim, with your new pup?
That thing... Here's the thing.
It's a puppy.
It's a puppy. So it's craziness, and we have a cat and a puppy, and they're both, fairly new.
Ping
but
pong, ping pong.
They're best friends. It's the weirdest thing ever. They are just with each other all the time, in tandem. So